Hi, welcome back to my channel, and today I'll be doing a full face of makeup using products that I got from Snapdeal, and all of them are super cheap and इनकी quality भी बहुत अच्छी है. I've been using some of them for a few days, so I'll give an honest review on all of them. So let's get into it. सबसे पहले तो for a perfect base, your skincare is very important. Like रोज skincare time से करना, and like just hydrating your skin is very important. Moisturizer as a last step is a must, and before makeup also just prep your skin. Use a cleanser, then a serum, moisturizer, and end it with a sunscreen. All these steps will prep your skin, make it very hydrated, and will give you a smooth base. I usually prep it with the Plix ka ye cleanser. This is the Jamon Active Acne Cleanser because I have like a lot of acne, so this really helps it like soothe. Then I go on with the same मतलब इसी range में Jamon Active Acne Control का serum. This is also very good. This is actually my second bottle. ये भी Snapdeal से ही है. And at the end I just go on with my moisturizer and a sunscreen. I use a Pilgrim moisturizer. I don't have it at the moment, but this is the one I use. This is also from Snapdeal. I am starting with this Blue Heaven का Flawless Makeup Base Primer. And if you don't know primer क्या करता है, basically जो pores और uneven skin होती है यहाँ पे, उसको fill करके gives a even base and उसमें help करता है. It has a very gel-like texture and it's really smooth on skin. So बहुत अच्छा है. Plus I have acne and it really doesn't irritate that. So I like it because of that as well. I usually take a pea size of this and then apply it around my nose area क्योंकि वहाँ पे मुझे सबसे ज़्यादा pores है. You can also apply it on a full face or like just target the areas जहाँ पे आपको लगता है ज़्यादा pores है. And I will go on with my foundation and concealer. Foundation is from Hilary Rhoda and ये Swiss Beauty का concealer है. Both of them are really good. I'll be starting with the foundation first and for that I'll be using this puff that I got from Snapdeal. वैसे तो मुझे Snapdeal में like काफ़ी मिले थे and these are the usually ones that I use now. I also have these makeup sponges from them, again a lot of them, but now after using these I really prefer these over this because I feel ये ज़्यादा smoother base देता है मुझे. I like to take a small amount और उसके बाद just put it with my finger all over my face. अब नेक्स्ट ये स्विस ब्यूटी का कंसीलर यूज करेंगे. I'll be applying a little bit मेरे कॉर्नर आईज के एरिया पे और लिटिल ऑन द फोरहेड ऐसे ट्रायंगल करके. These are usually the places I apply my concealer and please याद रखना concealer apply करने के बाद wait for 1 to 2 minutes for it to settle in ताकि आपको better results मिले. I start on blending it with this brush ताकि थोड़ा flatten out कर दे, थोड़ा product को spread कर दे. Now my base is done and I'll be going on with this Hilary Rhoda की Soft Glam Kit and it has all these eyeshadows which are really pretty और उसके बाद it also has a bunch of blushes and highlighter and also contouring के लिए. So let's go on with that. के बाद I have this jelly सा tint जो बहुत viral भी किया था online. I think it was Milka, but this is another brand which is also very good and way cheaper. It's like very pigmented, but ये बहुत natural सा tint देता है which I really like. वैसे इसमें तो काफ़ी ऐसे eyeshadow के लिए shades हैं, but I also have these two palettes for eyeshadow that I'm going to show you. These two are from Huda Girl and they are also very pretty. And इसमें भाई बहुत सारे shades हैं which are so pretty. Starting a dark brown shade from here and leaving it halfway on my eyelid, and I'll do the same thing over here now. I actually love the brown and how it looks, and to complete the eyeshadow look I'll be going on with some shimmer. Next using this kajal. Now to complete the eye look I'll be using this eyeliner और usually मुझे eyeliner बिल्कुल end से end तक करना पसंद नहीं है. I only do the wings, so let's do that. This is how the eye makeup turned out and let's go on the last step, that is lips. For lips I'll be using this down lip liner with this lipstick ka set. It has a lot of colors but I'll probably be going with either of these three, so let's do it. And yeah, that is the full face of makeup that I usually do when I'm going out for a function या कोई भी event होता है तो. This is usually the makeup I wear with Indian wear, but you can definitely go with for Western wear as well. I hope this video was helpful and if you liked it, go like this video and subscribe my channel. And yeah, thanks for watching.